Understanding the phrase, put an end to. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, put an end to. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English skills. Let's dive into it. Put an end to is a phrase used to indicate stopping or terminating something. It can refer to ending a situation, a habit, a practice, or any ongoing process. This phrase is often used to emphasize the finality of the action. For example, the new law aims to put an end to illegal trading. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. The government took steps to put an end to corruption. After years of dispute, they finally put an end to their rivalry. She decided to put an end to her procrastination and start working on her project. Notice how the phrase is used to signify the conclusion or cessation of various activities or states. There are several synonyms and variations of put an end to which you might encounter. These include terminate, abolish, discontinue, cease. Each of these has a slightly different nuance, but they all convey the idea of ending something. When using put an end to, ensure that it is clear what is being ended. A common mistake is using it vaguely, without specifying the subject. For example, instead of saying, he put an end to, clarify what he ended. He put an end to the argument. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, put an end to, more confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.